Tapos na sa atin ang lahat, paalam na sa'yo. Salamat sa mga kunting ligayang pinadama mo. Kahit hindi naman ako ang nasa puso mo ngayon, mahalaga sa akin ay natuto na ako ngayon.
You're my peace of mind in this crazy world. You're everything I've tried to find. Your love is a pearl. You're my Mona Lisa. You're my rainbow skies. And my only prayer is that you realize you'll always be beautiful in my eyes. The world will turn and the seasons will change, and all the lessons we will learn will be beautiful and strange. We'll have our fill of tears, our share of sighs, and my only prayer is that you realize you'll always be beautiful in my eyes. You will always be beautiful in my eyes, and the passing years will show that you